how to delete your IRS online account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply understand your account structure. IRS online accounts are managed through a secure credentials provider, id.me or login.gov. So what you can actually do is simply get into your irs.gov and then you can tap on the sign in option right here, and then you can log in via your id.me or you can log in via your login.gov too, right? So after successfully logging in order to delete credentials account, you can if you're looking at for the id.me, you can simply log into your api.id.me and then you can simply go through their account, and then from there you can tap on sign in and security, tap on close account that you'll be able to see, and then you can follow all of the given on-screen prompt. But if you're looking for login.gov, you can simply log in at login.gov, then go to their account settings, then you can tap on delete account, and now here you can ensure the third-party authorization for IRS online services is terminated. So basically revoke your access, and that is exactly how you'll be able to delete your IRS online account. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, or else that will be it for this video.